So in today's video, we're going to talk about trigger leads. And you might be saying, Dan, what in the world is trigger leads? Well, obviously you haven't bought or tried to buy a house yet or a car yet, because if you have, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. So that's our discussion in today's video. So let's get over to it. What are trigger leads? Well, let's go right through the top. What are trigger leads? Well, have you ever noticed a surge in unexpected, unsolicited calls, texts, and emails or junk emails after applying for a car or mortgage? Well, that's what happens. So what happens is right down through here. Triggered leads occur when a credit bureau sells your information to a lender after a credit inquiry, signaling your interest in a loan. This enables lenders to contact you with unsolicited offers. Here's the thing that's really upsetting people. Unwanted contacts. You might dislike receiving unexpected offers that are using your personal information. And last but not least, the sale of your financial data feels a little invasive, doesn't it? So what happened is we do probably several pre-approvals a day, but over the weekend I got a couple contracts in, and on Monday I got calls from three clients. Three clients called me on Monday and said, Dan, what are you doing? Over the weekend I got calls from, each one of them said, it just got to the point I just stopped answering the phone. I'm like, well, and they were blaming me for selling their data. Folks, we will never sell your data. I don't want to sell your data. I don't look to sell your data. And we even have compliance things where you're going to sign with us that we only use your data for internal uses. So what's happening is all these companies, as soon as you pull a mortgage report or a car report for your credit, these companies are finding that out, saying, okay, well, this person now wants either to buy a house because they're pulling mortgage credit, they're looking to buy a car. So they'll sell your data to these companies, and the companies will just start calling, promising things that they don't even know anything about you. They just know you're looking for either a mortgage or a car. So what should you do before you start the process of either buying a car or house? Well, stop all this in its tracks before it even starts. So how do you do that? Well, one of the biggest things to use is the opt-out website, and I'm going to post it down below, but it is right through here. You can see that, the optoutprescreen.com. That's the website you're going to go to. Here's what it's going to look like right through here. My apologies. I went to the second screen already because I was already in the middle of filling it out. So you're going to go to here. Here's what it looks like. Scroll down to the bottom. It's a free service. It's not connected with me. This is actually just a database that's provided. And you go in there, you click you want to opt out of people calling you for, all these reasons, but just go down through here and fill out this information. Folks, it's secure and it does work. Now, there's a couple other systems that people use. For example, the do not call registry. I signed up with this multiple times. I still get solicitation calls every day, but you give it a try. So you're going to go right here to the donotcall.gov or call the 800 number right through there. And I think it is right through here, the do not call list. So that's what that's going to look like. And then last but not least, if you want to get out of all those just that crap emails you keep getting and mail you keep getting, we'll just go to right here. It's going to actually try to stop all this stuff for you. And when I say try, I subscribe to this and it's not really working very well yet, but give it a shot. But the biggest thing to do is the opt-out of your credit reports being sold, folks. That's the one thing I would highly suggest you do. So that's my report on the trigger leads. Now let's get over to the economic news to see how that's faring for today. So you go over to the interest rates. Interest rates popped a little bit today. They're up 4 basis points at 7.14 on the 30-year fixed. The trajectory is looking not very good. This morning when I was doing my opening bell, we came out with two figures that came out. The JOLT index and some manufacturing numbers came in, and it basically plummeted the market. It went down to about 20, 30 points, and then it retrieved a little bit today. So mortgage rates are paused right here at that. They're up a little bit today, but tomorrow might be a different story, and they might continue to go up. The reason why, there's a lot of debt hitting the markets, folks. That debt's right through here. So look what it took to sell all this debt. So when we go to the 40 or the 10-year Treasury auction, here's what you're seeing right now. The last time they sold Treasuries, they got a yield at 4.23 for it. Now there's so much debt in the markets that it's actually taken yields to go all the way up to 4.68 to get rid of all the government debt we have. And there's more government debt even coming tomorrow right through here on the, I think, what do we have tomorrow? The 30-year bond auction's coming out tomorrow, and there's $22 billion of that's coming out as well. Those yields were 4.5. where are they going to go to? Because as these go up, mortgage rates are going to go up as well, folks. So I'll be reporting this tomorrow morning. So I hope you check out my morning economic views for the day. But here's our forecast, or here's the economic news that we're having coming in tomorrow. We have ADP payroll numbers coming in tomorrow, the initial jobless claims, and also the FOMC, the Federal Reserve minutes are coming out. Then on Thursday and Friday, we have more jobs reports and more average hourly earnings reports coming out on that day as well. So there will be market movers for the next 2 to 3 days. So please make sure to watch my video every morning to make sure you know what the economics are if you're looking to buy that first house. Talking about buying that first house, if you're looking for somebody to help you with the financing, hopefully I can be your person. Why? Check me out. Check out our website, therateupdate.com. Check out all my other YouTube videos. I've been in the business for over 35 years. I'd love to help you. The cool thing is I'm licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico, so there shouldn't be any reasons why you don't use us. We're not only a lender, we're also a big broker. So think of it, my slogan for 2025, one application, one credit pool, and we're going to shop your loan to over 40 different lenders. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope you subscribe down below. Don't forget to do that so you catch out every video that I have, and we'll be back next week with more live events to answer all those questions for you. So thanks for watching for this evening. God bless. Hope to see you back here tomorrow morning with the economic news. Take care, folks.